Hello, orientation to business students. Today you were assigned the opportunity cost worksheet, and I'm just going to go through and I'm going to show you how you should be filling this out. So, when we do this, you specifically on your sheet, you are going to be filling out this column right here. So, we're going to be talking about the opportunity cost. Now, remember, the opportunity cost is when we make a choice, we are giving up the next best alternative. So, the opportunity cost is the value of the next best alternative that you did not choose. So, if I am keeping money in a dresser drawer, what are some of my other options? My other option, I guess, would be since I'm keeping it in a dresser drawer, I'm not putting it in a savings account. So for me, I'm giving up interest. Interest earned on a savings account. So that's what I'm giving up. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to write down me personally. So if I'm making the basketball team, what am I giving up? What can I not do instead of, since I'm on the basketball team, what some things that I'm going to give up? And you're just going to go through and you write your examples. This can be monetary wise, so dealing with money, or it could not be dealing with money. It could be time, grades, not having, can't hang out with friends and family. So those are some things that you're going to put in here. So let's just say, okay, I'm going to fill this out. Obviously, this is not acceptable answers, but I just want to kind of show you. So we've filled this out, and I want us to compare to what other people have put. So this is what I'm going to have you do. You've put in all of your answers. The next thing that I want you to do is left click and select. We're going to drag through all of our answers. We're going to go up to our ribbon. And do you see where there's like an A with a bar underneath it and it's black? We're going to click that's the text color. And we're going to select white. And deselect it. And now my answers cannot be seen. There's a point to this. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to share this document with a neighbor. So somebody in our classroom. If you're a remote learner, you need to get with me and I'll tell you who you can be sharing it with. But you're going to go up to the upper right hand corner and hit share. There's some things that we need to change on here. We need to click down here. And do you see where it says viewer? We now need to make this person an editor. We're going to hit up here, and we're going to share this. And you're going to type in their email address on here. So I'm going to share it with myself. And then you're going to hit send. What that's going to do is it's going to send it to your neighbor, and now they have editing access. When you get your neighbor's sheet, you're going to go through and you're going to fill in this section. So don't look at what the other student put. You write your answers on your partners now, and then you can just exit out of it, okay? What you need to do then is go back to your initial example, and you'll see that your classmate has written some things, and then you can, make all of this stuff the black text. And you'll be able to see what your classmate put. Were your answers similar? Were they completely different? Did you take this scenario in a different way than they did? And then we're just going to kind of talk about it and discuss it. There'll be some discussion questions down here, and I just want you to answer them. If you have questions on this is a little bit weird, but I do want us to get some class discussion off of this. So let me know if you have questions, but that's just a tutorial on kind of what we're going to be doing.